Good morning guys. Ramadan Mubarak po sa lahat, lalo na sa mga Muslim brother and sisters natin. Good morning po. Actually, good afternoon na dito sa amin. Kagigising ko lang, nag-pray. Pasalamat sa araw na namang ito na binigay ng Diyos sa akin at sa ating lahat po. Please take care everyone and pray always before, after bed and before the meal as well. It's my off day. Just now woke up and take a little bit rest. Not right away. You just go and stand up. Just take a rest for a while before you gonna stand up and go on your daily routine. By the way, even in your bed, you can do the push-up, guys. Like maybe how many repetition you can do push-up on your bed. I'm gonna show you now how it will be done. How I will gonna do exercise even in my bed. I'm gonna put these things right here, and I'm gonna show you how it will be done. Push-ups. By the way, I can do like this, right? After you wake up, guys, you just drink warm water, a glass of warm water, and after you pray, by the way, after you pray, just drink one glass of water, and you can do this push-ups like I'm doing right now. Can I do this one like this to show you how? First, of course, you're gonna picture that. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna show you the push-up. Small push-up. Water. I'm so lucky that this headset takes like a little bit longer so that I can do the push-up. First, just stand straight. Stand straight, no. Just like this position. Of course, you need to be stable, guys. For the woman, just like this. But for the man, of course, we do this. You should check with this properly. Stable your foot and your hands down. Now lift. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 repetition. I'm done with the 10. Hopefully the other like 3 sets in a day. 3 sets in a row in a day. You'll be in a good warm-up exercise. And before, I experienced also some exercise from Japanese factory I work. Gonna show you later after this push-up. So we have 1 set done. You need to do like 3 sets or 4 sets. We still can manage. By the way, before you go push up, you can make the stretching, guys, on your bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, and 1. this one is a lazy exercise, but at least how you can manage and how you will be comfortable is still good. It's still doing exercise. But the lazy one, because this one we're doing on your bread, literally in your bed. As you can see my bicep now. Just 10 counts on the push-up, 3 sets or 4 sets. It's up to how you prepare, guys. How you will be good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Now we're into. Again, take a little bit rest, and we're gonna continue later on, like 20 seconds, 30 seconds, just to take relax. It's good on your shoulder, bicep, pull over. Actually, the push-up exercise in general, it's good to our body. And bicep, tricep, on your hands, on your wings here, wings. Again, guys, third set, good to go. Especially for the beginners, 10 counts only. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, rest. The last set, I think I can still go for the last set, 4th set. 10 until you can manage to do extra, like 15, 4 set, 20, 4 set, or 30, 4 set. It's up to you until you're gonna come along with a more repetition. But it helps a lot, guys. It's simple things you're gonna do after you wake up in the morning. After you wake up to exercise, it takes just few minutes to do that. After you pray, before you wake up. So we're gonna do the last set. 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good to go, guys. Now I'm gonna wake up and stand still. The first I learned exercise, guys, during we're in the back tree, which is it will help you a lot. Like this first exercise, you do this one as long down, more better. Oh, sorry. This one is open. Should do like this. 1, 2. Yeah, I forgot the name of this exercise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More down, more good. 8. How many still? Maybe 3. 1. 2, and then last 3, and then the waist one. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, and 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 3, 2, and 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 6, 3, 2, and 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, and 1. 4, 5, 6, 8, 8, 7, 3, 2, and 1. The last one, it's up to you how you're gonna do it. Jumping jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6. The last one you're gonna do, inhale, exhale, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is good for your heart. Cardio. Another one. 2, 3. 'The rest, guys, actually you can do like planking. If you want to do planking, it's good as well. Planking or even jogging, lying on the floor, it's good. Jogging, but soon I'm gonna teach you all of those things. The one you want to addition, like 30 minutes, you can do this. You can do all these things. 30 minutes, guys, and all those things. It's up to you how you will be comfortable, guys. But all these things that I did today, right now, like push up on your bed, after you pray, drink a warm glass of water, daily routine in the morning, that's good, and that's really great, guys, and it will help your body in good condition. As you can see, just how many minutes we did, right, guys? My body is just very simple, guys. I'm not working out, but exercise, it's very good in our body. I do once one rice a day. I do oatmeal, peanuts, fruits and vegetable, as much as you can. Good luck and God bless everyone, guys. I hope you learned something to me today, and I'm happy that every day is blessings. Every day is a new beginning. Every day is a new start, guys. and don't lose hope. God is with us. God will heal us. God will give us strength. God will give us wisdom in our everyday living, guys. God will protect us. Trust in God. Thank you, guys, and God bless everyone. Have a good day ahead.